A very good evening to all. I am Fruity and with me is my friend Sweetie. We are from SKV Adarsh Nagar, Delhi, India. We joined this group very late, but we have been doing our bit for the SDG movement. When we were told about Rise Up SDG, we thought it is another online series of events. Our teacher, Mrs. Manisha Pavi, asked us to explore about the topic before we start to contribute. When we read about the topic, we realized the importance of the SDGs. Also, we understood that we as students can have a role to play in achieving these goals. Here is a small presentation of our journey of getting conscious about the significance of the SDGs.
We started with SDG 13 about climate action. The goal is to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. The decade between 2010 to 2019 was the warmest decade recorded in history. Currently, climate change is affecting the global community in each country of the world. We need to look for ways to reduce CO2 emissions in hope to prevent global temperature from rising any further. We as students realize that we can also contribute by going car free, decreasing flight travel. We have seen that virtual learning and virtual meetings have helped in slowing global warming, reducing our consumption of animal protein by half. We can cut our diet's carbon footprint by more than 40%. Saving fossil fuels and using renewable sources of energy is a key to this problem. Switching off lights and fans when not needed.
SDG 14 is about life below water. The aim is to conserve and use the oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. The great challenge of overfishing, climate change, pollution, and habitat loss have taken a terrible toll, decreasing fish stocks and affecting the lives of millions of people who depend on them. Some small steps that we have taken are run a campaign on the effects of plastic use on the seas and oceans. We made posters on say no to single use plastic and also spread awareness to avoid plastic as far as possible. We realized that bottled water is also a hazard. We can boil, filter, add chlorine to water to make it safe for us. We pledge to buy local and certified fish, to support small scale producers by shopping in local markets and shops.
SDG 15 is about life online. The aim is to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, manage forests, combat desertifications, and halt and reverse land degradation and biodiversity loss. We try to find out what role we can play to help make life online more sustainable. We can make sure that the companies we are buying from are not engaging in harmful ecological practices. We send messages to buy eco-friendly products and recycle as much as we can. We should be aware not to buy products that are the result of illegal wildlife trade. We must try to save as much as paper we can, using recycled paper as an option. Also, switching to online blank statements and bill reduces use of paper. In our school, every student plants one sapling on her birthday. Our school has greenery all over the campus.
SDG 16 is about peace, justice, and strong institutions. We need to promote peaceful and inclusive societies for development. Also, access to justice for all and effective inclusive schools is a necessity. We learned about the inequalities faced by some cultures around the world. We realized that overcoming injustice is the secret of peace. We have made small groups in our neighborhood to look for out school children. Any such child is brought to the notice of our teachers who take help of SMC to counsel the parents of the child. We have become conscious of evils such as domestic violence, child labor, female infanticide. We are now always alert for any such social injustice. We understand the significance of inclusive education where child with special need study with us. We celebrate diversity by supporting each other.
Thank you for watching our presentation. We, the students of SKV Adarsh Nagar, take a pledge to do our very best to save our Mother Earth by taking small but significant steps. We have started a campaign to spread the information of SDGs not only to the other students of our school but also in our neighborhood. We promise to be goalkeepers of SDGs and carry out our operation to make an impact in this mission. Thanks once again.